Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center. The problem what I have before with the OBS is brilliant software. Honestly, if you want to have a record on the streaming on YouTube or wherever, is perfect free source program. Is it that you can download for free and use it? So the problem what I have before, I could not pause the video here. You see, I don't have here the pause option. If in case I want to do something, I want to go somewhere, however, to pause the video, I have to stop recording to do that. So search in YouTube, and most of the people, and so I could not find anything about that one. Most of the people give a run instruction, is it? And not saying. However, I'm going to tell you why is that. If you cannot have this option, the pause video, go to the settings, go to the output. That one is need to be simple, and warning: recording cannot be paused if the recording quality is set to the same as the stream. So your stream is, what is it there? Recording quality is same as the stream. I cannot honestly click in that one because it's recording. I cannot change it. But I'm going to stop recording, change that one, and come back again. You have to change this one to able to do that. So let's cancel it. Stop. So back again. That you can see is the pause is available now. What I have done, go to the settings, go to the stream, go to the output. First, it needs to be output mode simple, that you have this option there. Go to the output simple, go to the recording quality and change it to any other one except the same as the stream. The good idea is if you go to the hotkey, you can choose what you want. Example, now I'm going to delete that one. So if I go into press the pause, or if I want to pause the video, I can choose what fine key I want to use. Just use the key to use it. I can do it P or what. I don't know, press the P, please. You see, if I press the P, it's pause the video, and if I press example P again and do it the other one. But I'm going to choose delete them and do it the space. If I click the space and the space, so if I click a space, pause the video, and if I click the space again, return to the video. So I hope this video is help, and if you got question, honestly, drop me a message. It's too late now. We got now, what time is it? 8:30, and I'm tired, want to go. So however, if you have any question, drop me email, or not email, message, or go to my website www.k1repaircenter. Send me message over there, and I'll try my best to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Peace and keep safe. Oh, can it stop now? Oh, it stopped recording.